be one of those days. Guess we're not gonna have a helmet facing camera. What is going on, everybody? Out here on the back roads, trying to stay cool. It's in the mid 90s, high humidity. Holy crap, it's hot. It's a perfect time to talk about hot weather riding gear. How to gear up when it's hot. It's very important that you wear the right stuff. If you're wearing a heavy leather jacket that doesn't breathe, I don't care if you unzip it or not. That only gets your chest, and then, you know, your back and arms are sweating. If you're just wearing a t-shirt underneath, it's gonna suck up all that sweat, and you know, it just stays wet and soggy. So base layers are very important. I am wearing a moisture wicking shirt. Here's our shark, snake, whatever the hell it is. Snakes don't usually have that many teeth. But yeah, I'm wearing a moisture wicking shirt that allows my body to sweat, and the shirt picks it up, and when the wind goes through my vented jacket, I wear a textile vented jacket, so you can see all the holes in the mesh. Air blows through the jacket pretty good. Even though I have a windscreen in front of me, you can feel the wind going through, and it actually cools me off better, you know, after I've taken like a stop and you start to sweat at an intersection or whatnot. When the air goes through it, it acts as like air conditioning. It's a lot cooler than just the hot air blowing through. I'm not a scientist, so I can't tell you why that happens. I just know it's true. But I am not wearing like long moisture wicking under armor or whatever underneath my pants, but I do have new vented pants. They work pretty good. The only problem is when you're sitting, the air doesn't really catch the vents very good because they're parallel to the ground and the wind is just blowing by. It's not really going in as much. But if you need to cool off, you can always stand up for a second, or I guess it depends on the bike you're riding, your riding position. If my legs were a little bit lower, I guess the legs would be at a different angle, so we would get more coolness. Of course, I wear short boots. I've got the ankle high Alpine Stars, the SMX 1R. I think they're fine for normal everyday riding. If you were going to get into some like adventure stuff, I would highly recommend a taller boot. It'll give you more support if you have to put your foot down and stabilize your bike in a corner in the dirt and whatnot, or if you fall off, it gives your ankle a little more support. And your gear is your choices. You know, if you live in the southern states here in the US or in a really hot climate, there are options. When I ride my CRF 250 I dress for the woods. I don't spend a whole lot of time on the pavement by choice. The idea is I want to get to the woods, and when you're in the woods and dirt roads and whatnot, you're not going very fast, so I dress for off-road. So I wear my off-road gear. I've got some MX pants. I usually wear a shirt. I have a chest protector that goes underneath it. But I can say that the wind hitting me when I am on the roads at like 40-50 miles an hour is not as cooling as, like right now I have my jacket on with the moisture wicking shirt. As you sweat, like I said, it acts like an air conditioning. It's a hell of a lot cooler than it is if I'm wearing just my MX shirt. So from experience, I can say that is definitely true. Let me know down in the comments, what is your hot weather gear look like? Do you have multiple sets of gear, or do you just basically wear the same stuff all year round? Let me know. Thank you all for watching. Everybody stay safe. And remember, ride safe, ride often, and ride on too.